marijuana is another substance of concern when it comes to the athlete population. If you look at the left side of this graphic, you can see the brain, and the purple in that brain represents THC. THC is a chemical component of marijuana. It's the active ingredient. It's what gets you high, but it's also what causes all the damage. On the right-hand side, you can see the different areas of the brain and the functions associated with those areas. Marijuana, or THC specifically, is going to affect your vision, memory, movement, coordination, reflex, judgment. All of these things are going to be compromised in the athlete. Energy drinks are another area of concern when it comes to chemical health in our athletes. Individual responses to caffeine vary, and these drinks should be treated carefully because of how powerful they are. Energy drink stimulating properties can boost the heart rate, blood pressure, dehydrate the body, and like other stimulants, prevent sleep. On the left-hand side of this graphic shows a brain scan of someone that had 8 hours of sleep. The blue in that brain scan represents blood flow in the brain. On the right-hand side, you can see a brain scan of someone that did not sleep, and they have about a quarter or fifth of the blood flow as the person on the left. The more blood flow we have in their brain, the better our brain works. When someone ingests an energy drink into their system, they do so to increase their energy level. It increases that energy level, but what it does not do is increase the blood flow in the brain. The more blood we have in our brain, the better our brain works, the better our body works. When someone increases their energy level, it does not increase that blood flow. They're not going to work any better. They're actually going to work worse. And the reason for it is this. Our central nervous system is built to do 14 hours of peak mental activity a day and 2 to 3 hours of peak physical activity in a day. Energy drinks overstimulate our system. And when that happens, it results in chronic fatigue and breakdown. So we're no longer going to be able to do that mental activity for 14 hours or that physical activity for the 2 to 3 hours that we're trying to achieve. Energy drinks should not be used while exercising, as the combination of fluid loss from sweating and the diuretic quality of the caffeine can leave the user severely dehydrated. When we drink a cup of coffee, the amount of caffeine in that 1 cup of coffee, it takes 2 glasses of water to process that caffeine out. Some energy drinks have the caffeine equivalent to 6 cups of coffee. So if we have an athlete right before a competition or a practice drink an energy drink before they get on the ice, now all of a sudden they might have to drink 12 glasses of water just to combat that caffeine in that one energy drink.
That completes the video portion of this segment. Now let's move on to either your test or additional resources to reinforce and support what we've been talking about.